And a warm welcome to all of you worldwide. We're just waiting for the central characters to make their appearance, and then we will be underway. Atalanta against Juventus. Well, I'm Peter Drury, and I'm joined in the commentary box by the familiar figure of Jim Begley.
Well, I can tell you, I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
And just joining us, we are already underway. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Yeah, Giorgio Chiellini. He's the very definition of a rock at the back. He's so physically imposing, but also a great reader of the game, and his positioning is usually spot on. The technical side of defending doesn't often get a mention, but just watch this guy's tackles if you want a great display of timing and precision. He does it best.
I wonder whether that has anything to do with you being a defender once upon a time, Jim. Morata. Gets it upfield. Schmidt. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. And it's Morata.
Morata really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Forward it goes. Dybala. Going through. That is terrific skill. Just needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Chance to break. Tries lifting it over.
That's just an example of overcommitting, and they're fortunate for the quality of the intervention. It was vital.
Juventus can't seem to retain possession. Chiesa. Schmidt sticks in a foot to win it back. Giroud. Schmidt. Over to the left. Now he's wondering who wants it. He'll hammer it! It's in! With half-time at hand! Perfect timing!
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Atalanta, it's all first blood here.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Dybala. And the whistle goes for half-time. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Atalanta head into the dressing room, pleased with the thought that they have that all-important lead. Analysis to come during the break. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes.
Atalanta going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage without necessarily neglecting things defensively.
And the flag has stayed down. Looking for a decent... Can he finish? And that's caused a worry or two.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Down by a lack of accuracy. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Kenny. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, this lead is beginning to look a little delicate. I'd rather see them show the ambition.
In with a header! Spectacular from Morata!
Well, we're all back to square one, but I hope this game opens up from here. It looks as if it could happen.
What a great header, got plenty on that.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
Final checks on the touchline, a change about to occur.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Look, get your seatbelts on, because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
Ramsey, long and high towards the flank.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Played out to the wing. Well positioned to make that interception. Chip through.
Atalanta merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Now it's Morata, and the counter is on. The whistler's gone for a reckless challenge there. Let's be lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Denied by a great piece of goalkeeping. There is the final whistle. Well, nobody is totally satisfied, but it was a more than decent game, a super watch, and it ends in a draw. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Atalanta can take a lot from this. They were expected to be well beaten.